In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix my spam not showing in Gmail. First, let's start by opening Gmail. As you do this, you will see the familiar layout with your inbox on the left side. It's essential to be in the right place because accessing the spam folder requires you to be logged into your account. This is your main interface where you manage emails, so it's important to feel comfortable navigating it. Once you have Gmail open, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, click on More in the left sidebar. This option is typically found below your list of labels like Inbox, Sent, and Drafts. Clicking on More reveals additional folders that you might not see at first glance. It helps to keep your workspace organized. Sometimes the spam folder can be hidden behind this menu. This action is crucial because it allows us to access the spam folder directly. Once you click More, you will see an expanded list of options. Now click on Spam. When you select this option, the spam folder will open, displaying any emails that Gmail has flagged as junk. This view shows you all the messages that have been filtered out of your main inbox. It's important to check this folder regularly, as it contains messages that might be of interest even if they were marked as spam. If you see emails here that you believe should not be in this folder, you can take action on them later. If spam is missing, refresh Gmail and expand More again. Sometimes the folder may not display correctly due to a temporary glitch. Refreshing the page can help resolve this issue by prompting Gmail to reload your folders. After refreshing, click on More once more to ensure the spam folder is visible. This little step is often overlooked but can save you time in troubleshooting. Next, check Settings, then Filters and Blocked Addresses. This section allows you to manage any filters you may have set up that could be affecting your email flow. Filters can automatically move or delete emails based on specific criteria. It's essential to review these settings because they can inadvertently cause emails to skip your inbox and end up in spam or be deleted entirely. Remove or edit filters that move or delete emails automatically. If you find filters that you no longer need or that are too broad, this is your chance to take control. Adjusting these settings can help ensure that important emails don't slip through the cracks. After you make your adjustments, be sure to save any changes. This makes sure your preferences are updated. Now, sign out, then sign back in. This action can help refresh your connection to Gmail and clear any minor issues that may be affecting your account. Signing out forces Gmail to reset your session, which can often resolve issues with missing emails or folders. Just take a moment to log back in. This simple step can sometimes make a significant difference. If the spam folder is still empty but you expect spam, Gmail may simply not have detected any spam recently. It's worth noting that Gmail uses sophisticated algorithms to filter spam, and sometimes there may not be any to display. Additionally, messages that were marked as spam may have been permanently deleted after 30 days. This is standard practice for email providers to keep user accounts clean and organized. If you are confident that spam should be showing up, consider checking your filters or reviewing your email habits. Thank you for watching this video on how to fix your spam not showing in Gmail. With these steps, you can manage your spam folder effectively.